Hey guys, welcome back. I just wanted to post this video and just say hi again. And I wanted to kind of give you a little bit of an overview so that you kind of know what to expect for the next couple weeks here. Hopefully you have looked at your email and you kind of know the schedule of when you're going to see each class and when you need to be doing work for each class. Just to let you know, you don't need to be, face to face. There's not a certain time. It's just a certain day that you're going to be doing those classes. I will be available via email or Schoology if you have questions. Just like you would ask in class, send me a message and I will get back to you as soon as I can. For the most part during the day, I can get back to you pretty quickly. If it's later at night, I may not be able to get back to you as quickly, but just know that I will answer your questions, whatever they are. I just kind of wanted to ease your mind a little bit. I know this is new. It's new for me, new for you. And so I just kind of wanted to give you a heads up of what to expect for this coming week. Just take it a day at a time and a couple days at a time, and we'll get through it all together. So tomorrow, or on Tuesday, whichever day you have your class, you're going to go into Schoology, and there is a folder right on the top for you. Put it the first thing so you can't miss it. And it says Online Distance Learning. And so that is going to be the folder that you're going to go to for everything for the rest of the time that we're in this format. And if you click into that, everything is going to be broken down by the unit, and you'll see the date. So just be aware of what day it is, and then you'll be able to see where you need to go. For instance, if you need to go in there tomorrow, then it'll be April 6th, and you'll click on that date. If you need to go in on Tuesday, then it's going to be April 7th, and you'll click on that folder that has that date. So when in doubt, just make sure you know what day it is, and you can go to that folder on Schoology. Everything is going to be clearly labeled for you. I tried to organize it as easy as possible since I won't be there in person to kind of point you in the right direction. Each day is going to have like an overview video, so when you get to that day, so again, tomorrow or Tuesday or Wednesday or any day that you get in to do work, go in and click on that overview video, and I will kind of give you a little bit of an intro to what you're going to be learning, the concepts and that kind of thing, and just kind of give you a little bit of information, and then I'll kind of point you in the right direction of the activities that you're going to do, what you need to hand in and where you need to hand it in, which is going to be Schoology for everything from here on out. So again, let me just stress this because I want to make sure that you guys don't get too frustrated and just, stop doing it because you can't find something or you don't know how to. It's different, and it's going to be it's going to take a little bit of time to get used to. So please, 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 if you get to a point where you're just like, I just don't know, please don't hesitate to send me a message on Schoology, send me an email. I know it's not going to be the same as a classroom where, you can just raise your hand and I'm right there to help you, but I will get back to you as soon as possible. If you actually need to have a face-to-face conversation, well, I say face-to-face, have a conversation with me, we can set that up. There's this thing called Zoom that we can make, we can have as close to a conversation as we would normally in the classroom. And if that's something we need to do, then that's what we need to do. And you just let me know. I'm here for you. And you just let me know what you need. All right? So good luck in this online distance. It's a new thing. So let's go for it with an open mind. See you guys.